So I've arrived at Hong Kong airport. It's always different every time I come here. It looks completely new. Just got off my Qatar flight, and my 6-hour flight, or 6.5-hour flight, seemed like 2 hours. So much to do, so many things, so much food, and great service. So this time we're going to the Cathay Lounge. I'm going to try out the Pier first, if I find it, and we'll see what it's like. And gates 5 to 9, I've got to go to gate 65. Good luck. What a confusing airport. I think it's the heat. It's 8:30 at night and it's nearly 30 degrees, but that's outside. I think the heat's getting me in here because I'm a bit frustrated. So in good Hong Kong style, it's a 15-minute walk to the lounge, but oh no way. I can get the train. So I'm going downstairs and I'll get the train, and it won't take me 15 minutes hopefully, and I'll be at the pier. So, well, we'll have a look at the pier when I get there. Well, I'm not quite sure where the door is and where it opens or what train is where, but I guess I'll find out.
Journey. 请勿靠近车门，并请沿途紧握扶手。
And I was going to walk that whole lot. Oh my god. And of course there is the bridge, but I'm going to check out the pier. Well, the Pier Business Lounge is on level 6 in Terminal 1, and it's near gate 65. That might seem easy, but I'm telling you it was very confusing. You can enter this lounge complimentary if you're a Cathay Pacific or a Cathay Dragon business class or a oneworld carrier business class. Now, if you're offered a complimentary upgrade to business, you can't use this lounge either unless you're a Marco Polo Club Silver or Gold member. Now, as you walk through this lounge, it seems as if it goes on forever. There's loads of different areas to relax in. You can see there the bar, various lounges, and on the other side is the tarmac. There's also multiple restaurants in this lounge, and as we walk through here, we come to the Noodle Bar. Most of this is a la carte, and there's certainly a large selection. I think you need about 6 hours to get through this lounge. Well, I do anyway. So this lounge was to me extremely clean, organised, and not too many people. Well, this time of night, it's about 9 p.m. It's signed well, so if you're lost and you don't know where you're going or what you're looking for, you'll find little signs every now and then, like that one there. And here now is the tea room. I stopped in here for quite a while because I was writing, so I could sit and type in peace. But I happen to love tea, so I tried a few different teas. You get a whole teapot, and there was also some little sweet treats to try there as well. So if you happen to have a sweet tooth like myself, you'll no wonder stay as long as I did. But I say it's because I was writing, nothing to do with the sweet things you see in front of you. So I'm going to take a walk now through Cathay's Business Pier Lounge. The Noodle Bar also offers a self-serve area where you can find noodles or dumplings, soup, anything like that, which is of course a lot quicker. So that's the Pier Lounge here in Hong Kong Airport, and I'm going to now try out the wing. And I'm glad I didn't choose that lounge. Bit of a wait. So I didn't have as much time as I thought I did, so I chose to have my shower when I was in the wing. At least I would be fresh and maybe a little bit cooler. And these showers were extremely stylish, very clean, with great service from the staff. And it's just about time for me to board my flight. Oh, sorry.
Okay, thank you, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Hello. Awards. Thank you. This way down, please. Thank you.
Well, the Cathay 777 had a great clean feel. Plenty of storage room above, but not so much at the bottom as opposed to other aircrafts I've been on. But again, there are a few little nooks and crannies there. And also, yes, a mirror in your little lock section that holds your headphones and your amenities kit and a water bottle there. And it was good that that would close up if you wanted to sleep. There's of course a coat hanger. I was able to charge my USB, so my phone. There's a remote, and it's all in front of you, which was great. The reading light, and easy instructions to make your seat a lay flat bed. The TV, on the other hand, was easily moved, although I thought it was going to hit me in the face. And when using it, yep, it was fine. It was a touch screen and pretty easy even for people like me to work out what I wanted to watch. And I watched a few on this flight. So here's cheers to another great flight with Cathay Pacific. We're leaving Hong Kong, a nice night, nice clear night, and we're heading home to Sydney. Well, the tray table in this cabin was quite easily manoeuvred, and it becomes quite a large, sturdy table. For my supper, I chose the seared lamb rack with potato gratin, roasted carrots, snow peas and a salsa verde. And of course, chocolates were handed out just in case I hadn't had enough to eat. So I chose to be woken up for my breakfast, and we had a safe and smooth landing into Sydney. Well, I'm Travel Bug Sue. I hope you've enjoyed this review, and if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe at the bottom of the screen and hit that like bulb.